So today I'm sending Elvis and Alex to the boat to send them some materials we gotta buy, like some plywood and epoxy, whatever, for the outriggers or the outrunners, I think, right now. And so Elvis is gonna take the camera and give a little update and see if they've made any progress since last week. It's been about a week since the last video, or since the last time we went up there and filmed the outriggers with Princess. So Elvis, no more dengue?
All good.
So road trip for him, because I gotta stay here and get more stuff done. So have fun.
Okay, we're at Zenith. Try to get some Santa Clara marine plywood and then some more epoxy. But currently they are renovating everything, so yeah, everything's a mess. But we're only here to pick up marine plywood and epoxy. Okay guys, we're here with Alex. We have the materials secured. I think we just got like 8 pieces of plywood and then some epoxy and stuff. Right, Alex?
Yeah. So this is for the Outrunner. Already prepared. Yeah.
Okay, great. We have arrived. And currently it's high tide right now. We have all of our materials, so now we're just gonna see what we're gonna be doing. So Justin and Princess and Alex, they came here last time without me because I had dengue. But it's gone now, so now it's my turn to come down here. So yeah, we're just bringing most of the materials for the outrunners. Hopefully we can get this boat done sometime soon. And then here's our colors. It looks like they had a little bit of damage right there. That's where they repaired it. But yeah, let's discuss what we're going to be doing today. So we finally have our wood beams that we've been waiting on forever. And now we can finally start on the outrunners. And this has been a journey, that's for sure. Currently it's high tide, so I can't really do much except wait, but we still have a lot to go. Last time we were here we got the engine in, and that's where we left off. So now we're picking it back up and finishing the rest of the boat. So like we said many times, it's gonna be the yacht style outrunners. So it's gonna look like a mini version of what we have over here, and then probably gonna be the same color, which is exciting. And then we haven't changed any of the plans on what the color is gonna be. It's still gonna be the same crazy colors we chose out before. So now it's just all up to getting it done. We still have tons of work to do, like replacing the mask and then enclosing that top part, or semi-enclosing it, so where we can roll it up and have a nice sitting area. But the engine is running. We're just waiting on a couple more materials that we aren't able to get yet. Like for the outrunners, we need a ton of nuts and bolts. And unfortunately, we can't get a ton of nuts and bolts because someone already beat us to it, but that's okay. Just a little bit more waiting, but it looks great. It's been a while since I've been here, so then we have a lot to fix up and see what we can do, because today we're just going to be delivering materials, and then we'll discuss more on what we want to do and how we want to continue. But yeah, it looks great. What do you guys think about this color? Soon it's gonna be really decked out, tons of colors. So let's hear what you have to say in the comments below. Alex, this is the wood?
Yeah.
What can you tell us about this wood?
Yeah, very good. See? Very strong.
Very strong?
Yeah.
Is it good for the outrunners?
Yeah. This is for outrigger. That's outrunner here.
Oh, this is them here? Oh shoot! Oh, okay, well, here's some dried fish. But these are gonna be our
Outrunner.
Outrunners.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
See?
Super nice.
Yeah.
Super long.
Yeah, that's the one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Crap, I didn't think this was ours. Then here's our second one.
Yeah.
What is that? This looks like Luan.
Yeah. This is mixed mahogany, lawaan, and then
Oh crap.
this is the only thing that get hard to pound.
Yeah, so this wood right here is the
Yeah, that's the hard to.
is what we've
pound.
been waiting on this whole time.
Yeah, that's why. And if you already arrive that one, so no worries, very easy. Okay, it can take minutes.
I know, nice. It's gonna be lime green.
Yeah.
Oh crap, guys. Here they are. See, just like I said, it looks like a little mini banca.
Yeah. You know, for
Yeah,
the one that what do you call that one?
the rowing.
Rowing. Yeah.
Oh yeah,
Both sides.
I know.
Yeah. And this one here, somebody will sit up here, like sitting.
Oh, this is cool. Okay, so yeah, it's almost done. This is his first one. I don't know what we're gonna fill it yet with, but they've been getting to work. Honestly, these are a lot longer than I expected, but I guess we do have like a 100 foot boat or something. But yeah, these are coming along nicely. I wish I could have seen how they were built, but no, it looks amazing. Okay, so this wood, this is mangyum, which is a type of acacia, I believe. But we've been waiting on this for like a couple months because we have to get tons of permits, and they wouldn't let us, what's it called? They wouldn't let us haul it down here without tons of permits and mayor's clearance and all stuff like that. But we finally got it, so now we can continue our boat build project. So the next thing to discuss is how we're gonna actually get these out here, because you see how this bamboo is curved like that. You can't really do that with like 2x4s or 4x4s, you know. So is it gonna go straight out and then down? I'm not sure, but whatever happens, I just know it's gonna look freaking crazy awesome. And then we have to redo all of this on the top. It's gonna be a lot of work, and plans are always changing. One of the biggest things we want to do is that matting, that blue matting up there. We want to change the color of that, but we don't know what color, because we already have tons of color on this boat. So I'm not sure what we're gonna do. And then we also want a metal handguard over here. So yeah, it's gonna be something. So I was talking to the boat builders, and it said it took a week for them to build both of these. So hopefully there's not much left for these to do. I think we're gonna epoxy the outside as well as the inside, just for that extra reinforcement. So yeah, there's not much more I can say, except we just delivered a ton of materials, and that's it. So yes, let's go see what Justin says about all this. Okay, so it's the next day. We're back here at the shop, and yeah, I think we have a couple plans today. Finishing a skill circuit video for the YouTube channel, and then we're starting a little project.
I've never seen you hold the camera before.
I'm the videographer. I always hold the camera.
Not anymore.
Yeah, so ever since Princess has joined, she kind of taken my job, because I'm diving and I'm a dive master. So what do you have to say about that, Princess?
It's great. I don't know. It's great. I'm glad to have taken this job.
So good job, Alex and Elvis, filming that thing. It's looking really good. In the next video, well, they're gonna call us when they start tearing down the bamboo, taking off all the outriggers, because we definitely all want to be there for that. That's like a huge milestone. It's gonna look really crazy. They're probably just gonna do one side at a time so it doesn't fall over. But we're gonna finish building those Outrunners and then take them apart, man. So that's gonna be a really cool episode. That's probably next. Let's see. We're not going up there every day. It's such a long drive and hot. But we'll definitely have an update in a week or so. So see you guys tomorrow.
Hey, what were you doing when we went down there, huh?
Dude, me and Noel did 3 dives. We filmed some crazy shit, by the way. I can't remember, man. That was like 3 days ago. Yeah.
You got a haircut?
Oh yeah.
Can we see it?
Got a haircut.
Oh man.
And me and Noel been exploring all the... Oh, we went exploring some new dive sites in Bakong and stuff. It wasn't that great, but yeah, we filmed some cool stuff. So I had more fun than you probably.
I think you did.